In this video, I will be explaining the project interfacing LCD module with Node MCU. So here are our components. This is a Node MCU module, one LCD module, and behind it I am having I2C communication protocol adapter. So this is the whole setup and is implemented on breadboard. So the aim of our project is whenever I upload the code, the LCD module should display the message which I have written in that code. So here we are getting a message, Learn Electronics welcomes you, and one floating message interfacing 20x4 LCD module with Node MCU, that is ESP8266. The whole text will display. See the displaying text, see the scrolling text, and after that we are getting good day.
Okay, so the circuit diagram of the project are as mentioned. Like V-in pin of the node MCU is connected to the VCC pin of the LCD, and the ground pin is connected to the ground pin of the LCD, and the D1 pin in the node MCU is SCL pin, and the D2 pin of the node MCU is SDF pin as mentioned in data sheet. You may check. And so the D1 pin is connected to the SCL pin of the 20x4 LCD display, and the D2 pin is connected to the SDA pin of 20x4 LCD display. So this is the circuit diagram. So this is the code which I have used in this project. Here first I have defined the two libraries. First is for communicating that I2 board, the I2 module with the LCD module, and another I have used wire.h to communicate serially through node MCU to that black I2C board. Further I have defined one LCD object. Inside it I have passed my I2C address and the value of my LCD. Like I have 20x4 LCD, 20 rows and 4 columns, so I have defined this 20 as a column and this 4 as a row. And further I have defined one string, a character string, where I have used these fixed spaces, like 20 space here, and in between I have message, and also 20 space here. These 20 spaces, first these 20 space will see in the screen. After that we will see this message scrolling, and when this message end also we'll see the blank screen, and further this process repeats and we will see the string as scrolling string, because the length of this string is greater than 20. Like we can only print 20 at a time, so I have used this string as in scrolling. Further I am having this void setup. Here first I have begun the I2 communication with the LCD, and further I have begun the serial communication like wire.begin. Here D2 is the serial data pin and D1 is the serial clock pin. After that I am clearing my screen. If screen has some garbage value or something on the screen, then it will be cleared. After that I am setting my cursor to first column and 0th row, and I am printing Learn Electronics, and further I am setting my cursor somewhere and printing some message, and further I am setting my cursor somewhere and printing some message, and after that I am giving some delay to see this effect clearly. And further I am having my void loop. Here I have this for loop as a shifter, which will shift one character at a time. Like if this value becomes 1, like if it is 0, then it will print from 1 to 20 character at a time. Like here 1 to 20, let's say, suppose this is the 20th character, so it will print 1 to 20th. And further if this becomes 1, then it will print from 2 to 21st, like we are printing here, so this space will also include. So this will give us a scrolling effect. So this for loop is used for that, and inside this for loop I am calling this function which work is to print all the 20 characters. So this is the body of that function which I have defined. Here I am passing two characters, two values, integer values. First is 0, another is the same character, the value which we are getting from this for loop. So position first is for this 0, and the position 2 is for this character ch. And again this is the LED set cursor, where I am setting my cursor somewhere on my LCD screen, and again this for loop is used for printing all those 20 characters at a time. So we will see that message scrolling on our LCD screen, and again I have printed some some space on the end of that message, and I have given the delay of 450 milliseconds to see the effect clearly. If I will remove this delay, then we will see the string scrolling, but it will go like will just swipe like that, so we can't see the effect. So that's why I have used this delay, 450 milliseconds delay. So this is the code which I have used for this project.
So this is the project. Thank you.